At Ramblewood, luxury and convenience blend together to create the ultimate living experience. We have thought of everything so you don't have to. Our controlled access property features outdoor living areas, a gated bark park with a pet spa, an exciting playground, and tranquil courtyards to explore. You will always have something exciting on the horizon. We also have an incredible fitness center on site for your exercise needs, a business center, EV charging stations, bike lockers, and more. Imagine a home where the art of fine living is perfected with sophisticated interiors and resort-inspired comforts. Each of our modern, open-concept 1- and 2-bedroom residences offers an inviting layout with plank flooring throughout, a chef-inspired kitchen appointed with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, stunning bedroom retreats with spacious closets and opulent bathrooms, and unique interior finishes with extraordinary details to make you feel at home. Our fantastic Fremont location allows you to walk to BART as well as grocery stores, dining, entertainment, and shopping. With convenient freeway access nearby, the hustle and bustle of San Francisco and the rest of the Bay is just a short drive away. What are you waiting for? Call or visit our staff today and begin your journey to your new home.